right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Learn workspace. So let's go up to Window, and let's go to Workspace, and let's click on Learn. And with this, okay, so it just eliminated the Essential Graphics panel, and I would think that they would have a Learn panel, but maybe I'm wrong on that. Okay, they do have a Learn panel, but for some reason it doesn't show up. So let's do this. I'm going to close that panel, and I'll show you how to reset this so you can get the full effect of the Learn workspace. So we can go to Reset Learn to Saved Layout. Okay, and now we get what we're actually supposed to get for the Learn workspace. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over to the right. So again, we can work left to right. The tools are here, and the tutorials are here. We'll kind of shrink that down a little bit so that it doesn't take up so much room, because you really don't need that much space for these different options here. So you can do AfterEffects overview, a 2-minute overview of the interface and essentials needed to get started, the basics. 5 interactive tutorials that teach you the basics of creating an animated logo in AfterEffects. Okay. Each tutorial covers an essential step of the basic AfterEffects workflow. Okay. So that is the Learn workspace. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.